Hey, does your office space need a little sprucing up? I got gifted a 4-foot tall artificial Dracaena tree. We're gonna get it opened up, get it spread out, and see how it looks in the office, so stick around. Individual limbs, if you will. I guess some assembly will be required. Have all that, and then your instructions on how to put it together. Okay, let's get this thing put together. So you're just going to slide these into right here on these. You just push them in. Guess this one's going to go right up in the middle. Getting kind of tall there. Oh, well, cool. They kind of fluff out by themselves. That's nice. Just stick them in the hole like that. Push it on down. Really not going to need much fluffing. It doesn't have a real strong odor either. You know, sometimes when you get plastic stuff in, it really stinks, but this doesn't really stink. So that's a plus. Oh, there's a top one up here. It's pretty thick. There it is. Now, these are all the same size of branches, so it doesn't really matter which ones you put where. Kind of get them all in there and kind of pull it out there. How does that look? That looks good, y'all. I like that. And I'm quite sure you can fluff it some. Make it look a little better. But right there, it looks good to me. How does that look to y'all? Let me step back and look at it. Well, there we even got babies coming up right here. Now, as you can see, you can fluff these out. It looks good the way it came, but fluffing them out a little bit, you just take them and bend them down a little bit. You can kind of shape it the way you want it, but it looks better like this. It's nice and thick. These leaves look real and natural. They're not like real shiny, fake looking. They kind of got like a semi-gloss, I guess you would say. It's not real shiny. It looks natural. You know, all this fake stuff, if you get up and look at it real close, you can see it. But from like where y'all are sitting, I bet it looks good. Even sitting as close as I am, it looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to move it into my office and put it where I want it, and I'll show y'all what it looks like. We'll go ahead and get another measurement here. It doesn't really say how wide it is. When we get in there, I'll get the tape measure and we'll check it all out. So don't go nowhere. How does that look, guys? I think it looks good. I said I'd measure it. I've got it. Let's see, push it up against the wall. There, now it's just touching the wall. So about 32 inches. The height to that top of that leaf is about 51 inches right here. Got about a 6-inch size pot. It is weighted so it won't fall over under normal circumstances. Anyway, I think it looks really good, y'all. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, if you'd like to check this out for yourself and possibly order one, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, I'll put a playlist right over here for you to check out that's got some more home and office decor that you might want to check out. Could be something in there that strikes your interest. I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.